Sorry, I accidentally turned it off. So this will be part two. Part two of Mothra playing with toys. Oh, Toledo, where are you going? Here. Over there. She's being a little bit rough. So, oh, big yawns. They were getting some sun today. Because as we know, they need sun for strong bones. So she was unwinding. Now she's ready to go back to bed. It's the babies. They don't stay up long. Hmm? See, if you don't know, those are their thumbs, because their wing is just like a hand. And just like how important our thumbs are, their thumbs are very important also. They use it to climb the trees and, as you can see, pick up things. She's got the hiccups. What are you doing? We like to get them baby toys because we know they're safe. They don't have sharp edges or anything, so a lot of toys that I get them are baby toys. I have a funny feeling she's gonna fall down. Oh, yawning but still playing. Someone's just about passed out. Is watching her. But so many people don't realize that bats do play with toys. And they problem solve. What did you do? What did you do? It fell. It fell down. It fell down. And I love this toy that it's got it like it it's got things that make noise. Because you don't want your babies to be afraid of every little noise they hear. So it's good to have toys that not gonna scare them, but have some noise to them, so that they're not just they're used to noises because they live in a colony. They need some noises. Ready to go to bed? You ready to go to bed? I think so. Okay, good girl.